In this video we're going to take a look at the control circuit, the power circuit, what the symbols mean and what components they represent and what they look like in real life. So at the top here we find the circuit breaker, which also at the bottom here it's the same component, just been split up in two in the diagram. The next one is the auxiliary contact on the thermal relay. It's a normally closed switch, usually marked 95, 96. Then you will find the stop button, which is normally closed, usually marked 1 and 2, which gives it the function, and the start button marked 3, 4, which is normally open. Next to it, it's the holding contact of the contactor. It's an auxiliary contact on the contactor, and below it there's a contactor coil, usually marked A1 and A2. In the power circuit you will find the circuit breaker at the top, the contactor is this one, and the thermal relay is here, and these little dots represent terminal blocks. At the bottom this is the symbol for the motor. Now we're going to look at what they look like in real life. So the circuit breaker has a symbol like this, but the component it looks like this. Next one is the contactor. You can see it's a contactor by this part of the symbol, and it looks like this in real life. There are many manufacturers, so appearance might differ slightly from each manufacturer. And then there's the thermal relay. It looks like this, and then it's mounted directly onto the contactor. Under it you will find terminal blocks, which looks like this, and then there's a motor at the bottom. Then we're going to look at the control circuit. So this one is the circuit breaker, and the next one is the auxiliary contact on the thermal relay. It's located here on the thermal relay, so there's a connection between the power circuit and the control circuit. You can also see that it has the same name, so it's the same component. So this is the part that makes the control circuit and the power circuit works together along with the contactor. Below it you will find the stop button, which is a normally closed contact. It looks like this. So you push this one and that push this one, and then you'll stop the control circuit. Then there's the normally open button, which is usually green, and it has the marking 3 and 4, and you push this to start. Next to it you will find the holding contact. It's an auxiliary contact on the contactor, which once again the markings are the same for these two components, so you can see how these work together. At the bottom here you'll find the contactor coil. You can't really see it, but it is inside the contactor. Looks like this if you open it, and then you can see there's another connection between the power circuit and the control circuit. So this is how you read the diagrams, and this is what the components look like in real life.